Title ka.
Bakit kung sino pa?
1 point. Bakit kung sino pa is correct? Next, Jay, habol tayo. Go.
Kantanong. Ang ating pong category ay Sing It, Music Please.
Kakantayin mo yan. Kantang bayan ko. Sing it!
Pilipinas kong minumutya, ugat ng luha at dalita, bayan kasakal at pa.
Naku, sayang. Sayang. Meron kang chance ka na mag-steal, ha? Pag nakanta mo ng tama, di ba, okay lang, anong stanza? Basta tama ang lyrics. Sing it!
May malayang lumipad, ugat ng...
Okay, sorry. Ibon ma'am, may line lumipad. Kulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayang pa, kayang sakdal, dilag. Okay, meron ka pa rin 1 point ka. Habol ka, Jay. Next.
Kantanong. Ang ating pong category ay Titulado, Music Please.
Title.
Kahit kailan.
1 point, Jay. Kahit ka lang is correct. Kaya.
Basta
1
naman
point pa lang.
kamay.
1 point pa lang sila. Okay, okay lang. Next.
Kantanong. Ang ating pong category ay Titulado, Music Please.
Title. Ga. Quiet, please. Huwag po natin turuan. Time is up, Ga. Sorry. So, Jay,
Chance
meron
para
kang
kay
chance,
Jay.
ha? Music para kay Jay.
Malayo pa ang umaga.
Ano?
Malayo pa ang
Tama ba?
Malayo pa ang umaga is correct.
Pasok ka na, Jay!
Kaya nang tawagan na natin ang mga kasama pa natin talented na OFWs, si Des at si Lynn.
Alright, Des. Wow, may dala si Des. Des, ano yan?
Kuya Will, para po sa iyo ito, pampatigas ng tuhod.
Ay, balot. Oy, thank you.
Opo.
Okay.
Pero hindi pa po yan luto ah.
Lulutuin pa?
Opo.
Sige,
para
okay.
ano, masarap.
Hindi ko naman kailangan yan dahil wala naman akong girlfriend ngayon.
Malay nyo, di ba? Malay nyo.
Malay natin. Okay lang ba?
Dancing is your
Rani,
Rani.
okay lang?
Kung saan ka masaya, go.
Relax. Sagot-sagot ka na, ha? Okay. Des, saan ka nanggaling? Saan ka nag-abroad?
From Taiwan po ako doon. And then, nag-work po ako sa hotel as jazz singer.
Singer ka?
Opo.
Wow, jazz, okay? Saan ka? Sa lobby?
Lobby lounge.
Pianista lang, and then you?
Pianista, and guitarist ko na.
Okay.
Ganun po. Tapos,
Ano ko sito? Ayan, sige, go.
okay. Ayun po. Tapos, doon ko din po na-meet yung napangasawa ko.
Ano ba siya? Foreigner o?
Foreigner po, Taiwanese.
Hello. Introduce your husband.
I would like to introduce in the whole world my husband, Ping Yoning.
Pignoni.
Brian.
Thank you.
Hello, you're from? What country?
My country is Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Taipei.
Okay, what do you do in Taiwan, sir? What do you do? What is your work?
My work, I like driving in Taiwan. Any machine I like. So I solve by the truck, cargo truck, to bring the
Container.
yeah.
You're a driver of a big truck.
Yeah.
Container, okay.
Yeah.
You travel. You go. Drive
Yeah,
anywhere.
driver.
You drive from Bulacan to Binondo. Okay. That's nice, huh? What do you want to tell your wife? What? Tell.
Okay. I see my wife not easy and very lucky in the Taiwan because she come to Taiwan to work. And the first time she go to Taiwan 5-star hotel to work, and she don't know anything, and she body not good, always sick, and I always take care of her by many medicine for her.
Oh.
And after I feeling I really love her, so I follow her come back Philippines. I say, do you can marry to me?
Oh.
Ito ba yung engagement niya na binigay?
Are you getting married na?
Yeah,
Wow.
and have important is before I don't know her. I never say English. I is in the hotel love her, so I must fast to study English. So just now I only study 1 year only.
Oh, because of her. Because you love this woman.
Yeah.
You want to learn English, okay?
Yeah, because I need to study to
communicate.
To English. I can say to her, say I love you.
Oh, wow. So you're getting married already? Are you getting married?
Yeah, it's,
When are you getting married? When?
Finish na po.
Finish na engagement. Oh, wedding ring na.
Ito po.
So may engagement
December
ring.
14 po kami kinasal.
Saan kayo kinasal?
Sa West po. West po siya, pero...
Hindi sa North. Sa West, okay.
Judge po. Judge.
Si Judge.
Pero para siyang traditional. Parang pinalabas namin as traditional.
Oh, ano ngayon, Des? What do you want to tell your husband?
Laugong.
Yeah.
Natsitawo ay ni man.
I know.
I would like to thank you because you're always there beside me. And when I'm sick, you're always there to buy a lot of medicine. And then, you know that I love you so much. And thank you for the concern and respect to my family. And I know and they showed you that they love you so much and they accept you as what you are.
Wow. Very nice.
I love
You're a very good man.
Sobrang bait po. So understanding. And Logong, po ay ni mahal kita.
I也爱你, I love you.
Sweet naman. Di ba sarap ng ganyan? Hindi ka ba nainggit pag ganyan? Ha?
Sweet nga sila.
Paano ka mag-I love you? Paano? Ano na sabihin? Hindi, paano sabihin I love you? Ikaw?
Siyempre sinasabi mo yan, huwag mo na tanongin.
Hindi nga. Tinatanong ko, paano ko masabihin niya? Kunyari, sa taong mahal mo, I love you. Ikaw, paano?
Ganon din.
Ha?
Ganon din.
Hindi nga. Sabihin mo, anong ganun din? Pareho pa tayo ng
Kaya
nararamdaman.
syempre may moment yan. Hindi
Paano
mo
mo nga
pinapractice
sabihin?
yan.
Gusto namin malaman. I love you. Paano?
I love you.
Uy! Pag-iisipan ko. Talaga?
Birthday mo lang.
Ano dapat, when you say I love you, talagang from the bottom, di ba? I love you. Okay, thank you very much, Kandong.
Ay, Kuya Will, kaya po pala kami pumunta rito nag-audition. Dahil po, gustong-gusto po niya kayo. First time niyo pong nakita kayo, sabi, I want to see Willie.
Really? You like me?
And then he buy this and gusto niyo pong
Okay,
sign.
sign. So, you like me?
Yeah, first time I eating in my wife's house. I see the TV. I see, oh, the Willie. So funny. I like.
You like me?
I like your
Okay.
style.
You want to have a baby
Because-
with me? Okay.
Pwede po sana pa-hug.
Ha?
Pati siya, pa-hug.
Come, family. Oh, come. Oh, Landong? Thank you, Landong. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, all right? Huwakan niyo muna. Nadala ako eh. Later, I'll sign the autograph,
Okay.
ha? Okay, thank you very much. Very nice.
po.
Applause for Brian Kandong.
Ano naman ang talent ni Des?
Singing po.
Jazz, magaling to. Jazz singer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome, yung mic mo, Des. Des!
I would like to dedicate this song to all the couples around here. And I would like to join me in a gong.